if you see this video on a ForYou, then I definitely deserve a like, because if you look at the work I have done on these knives, beautiful work of art. If you even look at the blades finishing, you can see definitely high polished, along with the beautiful leather sheets. And if you pay attention to the leather sheets, we have even written their names. That chopper name is Mammoth, definitely designed by one of my client. His name is John. I definitely want to give him a credit for that. And here are the other knives which I have used in a different handle material. This one is actually ebony wood, and then we have a black leather sheet for that knife. And if we look at the other knife, it's actually in the ram horn. We have in this one is actually deer horn. So let me show you the overall beauty of that knife. And then if you pay attention to that sheet, you will see a name. It's called Runt. That's a name of that knife. So I have another knife which I want to present. I will be presenting hopefully in the next couple of videos. But that's pretty much it for this video, and I will be expecting a good like and comments and maybe a follow. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.